Planet Travel Wet Dry Bag, Black by Planet Wise is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. The Planet Wise Travel Wet and Dry Bag is perfect for cosmetics, makeup, sunscreens, lotions, goggles, swim caps, handkerchiefs, tissues, markers, pens, pencils, mama pads, etc. The manufacturer's Travel Wet and Dry Bag is the perfect size for on the go. It is small enough to keep in your purse, yet discreet enough to be carried alone to the bathroom. A zippered dry section separates your cosmetic brushes, pencils, etc. from your liquids, powders, or lotions. The wet section has the same great waterproof seam design. This is your perfect solution. Made in the USA using high-quality PVC, BPA, and lead-free materials. At 9.5 inches by 4.5 inches, the Travel Wet Dry Bag is the perfect size for on the go. It is small enough to keep in a purse or diaper bag. A zippered dry section keeps your cosmetic brushes, pencils, comb, band-aids, medication, etc. away from your wet or liquid items. The wet section has the same great waterproof seam design, and is perfect for a damp toothbrush, shampoo, wet goggles, etc. Planet Wise's Travel Wet Dry Bag is perfect for cosmetics, makeup, sunscreens and lotions, toothbrush and toothpaste, goggles, swim caps, handkerchiefs and tissues, markers, pens, pencils, mama pads, etc. Machine washable,